Welcome to Rooted Wealth. We're so glad you're here to take this important step. Before you start entering your information, let's make sure you have everything you need to build an accurate picture of your finances. And don't worry, your numbers don't have to be perfect. We're focused on progress, not perfection. This is about creating your starting financial snapshot. Think of this preparation guide as the floor, not the ceiling. We're giving you the foundation of what you need to gather, but everyone's financial life is different. If you have an income source, expense, debt, fee, or financial obligation that isn't specifically mentioned here, include it. If it affects your money, we want you to account for it. Every dollar counts toward your growth. If money comes in, include it. If money goes out, include it. If you owe it, include it. And if you know you're going to have to pay for it, include it. Start with your statements. This is the best way to get a clear view of your money. Before you begin, we strongly recommend reviewing at least 2 to 3 months of your bank and credit card statements. Don't rely on memory alone. Your actual statements tell the real story. Looking at several months of actual transactions can help you identify recurring bills, subscriptions, fees, variable spending, and expenses you may have forgotten. Look at what is actually happening with your money. Knowledge is power. Income. Start with all of your income. It's the seeds of your growth. Have your net paycheck amount and your pay frequency available. Include additional recurring income such as freelance income, side business income, rental income, pension income, benefits, or other regular income. And don't forget one-time income you already know is coming, such as a bonus, commission, or tax refund. Fixed and recurring expenses. Next, let's gather your regular bills. This includes things like rent or mortgage, property taxes, homeowners or renters insurance, HOA fees, utilities, internet, phone, insurance, car payments, childcare, and other regular household obligations. Also, gather your subscriptions and memberships. Look for streaming services, apps, software, gym memberships, online memberships, and other automatic charges. Don't forget bank and financial fees such as maintenance fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees, transfer fees, annual fees, and other recurring charges. Variable spending. Next, estimate what you actually spend each month on everyday life. Include groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment, clothing, household supplies, personal shopping, hair and personal care, childcare, pet expenses, transportation, parking, tolls, and miscellaneous spending. Use realistic averages. If you're not sure, go back to those 2 or 3 months of statements and calculate what you typically spend. The goal isn't to make your spending look good. The goal is to make your financial picture accurate. Debts and your credit report. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts, debt. This is one of the most important parts of setting up Rooted Wealth. Review your most recent credit report. If an outstanding debt or credit account appears on your credit report, make sure it is represented in Rooted Wealth. That can include credit cards, student loans, auto loans, personal loans, installment loans, medical debt, collections, and other outstanding debt obligations. For your credit and debt accounts, gather the information that applies to that account. Your total current balance, your credit limit when applicable, your interest rate or APR, your minimum or required monthly payment, and your payment due date. These numbers matter. Don't enter just the monthly payment and forget the total balance. Don't enter a credit card and forget the credit limit. And don't forget the interest rate. Rooted Wealth needs the information necessary to understand the debt, not simply that a payment exists. This is especially important for student loans. Let's look at those carefully. Even if your student loan is currently deferred in forbearance or has a required payment of $0, do not leave it out. Enter the student loan, enter the total current balance, enter the interest rate, enter the required payment, or 0 if no payment is currently required. Include the due date when applicable, and use the notes or comments area to explain the status. For debts that don't have a credit limit, such as many student loans and installment loans, don't invent one. Simply provide the financial information that applies to that debt. The important rule is simple. If it's your outstanding debt, don't leave it out of your financial picture just because you're not currently paying it. Next, gather your savings and investment balances. It's time to nurture your growth. That can include emergency savings, savings accounts, investment accounts, and retirement accounts. Also, have your most recent credit score available so you can establish your starting point and track progress. Now think ahead. What do you already know you'll need to pay? Let's prepare for those moments. Maybe your car registration is due next month. Maybe you have a parking ticket. Maybe property taxes are coming. Maybe you have a medical bill, an annual subscription, a school expense, a license renewal, a tax payment, or an upcoming repair. Add it. Just because something isn't monthly doesn't mean it doesn't affect your money. Account for every branch of your financial life. And remember your regular commitments to other people. If you give your mother $300 every month, support another family member, regularly give or tithe, or have another ongoing financial commitment, include it. If you're using Rooted Wealth Standard, gather this information for your personal finances. It's the foundation of your personal growth. If you're using Rooted Wealth Plus, you'll do the same thing for your personal and business finances. For your business, gather your income, operating expenses, subscriptions, credit cards, loans, lines of credit, taxes, and other obligations. And the same debt rule applies. For business credit cards and debts, gather the total balance, applicable credit limit, interest rate, required payment, and due date. Keep it all organized. Once you've gathered everything, you have 2 ways to enter your information into Rooted Wealth. You're almost there. You can download the Rooted Wealth budget template, complete it, and upload it back into the app. Or you can enter your information one item at a time in the budget input area. Choose whichever method works best for you. Before you finish, take one last look through your bank statements, credit card statements, and credit report. Ask yourself, did I capture everything? Take a breath, you've got this. Remember, this list is the floor, not the ceiling. Your finances are unique. If money comes in, capture it. If money regularly goes out, capture it. If you owe it, capture it. If it's on your credit report as an outstanding debt, make sure it's represented. And if you know an expense is coming, prepare for it. Your numbers can always be updated later. Accuracy over perfection. What matters right now is creating an honest and complete starting point. You don't have to have perfect finances to get started with Rooted Wealth, just a willing heart. You just need to know where you're starting. Gather your information, build your financial snapshot, and let's get rooted. We're in this together. Welcome to Rooted Wealth. Let's grow your future from the ground up.